Hi, I'm John Clipsham. I'm the Hydrogen Manager based out of the European Marine Energy Centre in Orkney. We are really looking forward to participating in this year's Aberdeen Hydrogen Festival during October. And in particular, we're looking forward to co-hosting the Transatlantic Power to Gas event happening on the 3rd and 4th of October, the tail end of the Hydrogen Festival week. It's going to be an incredible opportunity to network and participate in interactive workshops with a wide range of people involved in the power to gas sector. In particular, we've got a group coming across from the USA, we've got a number of participants from Europe, plus we've got a strong contingent from the UK. Look forward to seeing you there, and if you'd like to join us, please do sign up on Eventbrite. If you search for TAP2G, you'll find all the details there.